Joyabuy versus Dhgate. In this video, we're going to compare Joyabuy versus Dhgate to see which platform is better for e-commerce sourcing. Joyabuy is known for its direct connections to Chinese suppliers, offering competitive prices and a more structured supply chain. It caters mostly to bulk buyers and wholesalers. The platform emphasizes quality control, making it a great choice for resellers looking for consistent product quality. However, it has a smaller product selection compared to DHgate, and its user interface is not as beginner friendly. The minimum order quantity can also be a barrier for those who just want to test a few products before committing. On the other hand, DHgate is a well established marketplace with a massive collection of products ranging from electronics to fashion. It allows for smaller order quantities, making it ideal for drop shippers and individual buyers. While DHgate offers buyer protection, quality can vary depending on the suppliers. So, research and reviews are essential before purchasing. You might need to find cheaper deals, but you also need to be cautious of unreliable sellers. Overall, if you're a bulk buyer looking for reliability, Joyabuy may be the better option. If you need a wider selection with more flexibility, DHgate could be your best bet. Do your research, compare costs, and choose a platform that fits your needs best. And that's my take on Joyabuy versus DHgate. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer.